This is a confidence builder program using pointers. After you have taken a look at the explanation prior to this particular video, then you're required to come and take a look at this particular program to further enhance your understanding. So what I have done here is I have declared an integer age with the initial value 18. Then I have taken SPTR, which contains just a single star. So SPTR is assigned address of age. First I am going to print age by the normal age variable. So if I print age, you are going to get age by the age variable as something like this. It's going to print 18. We have been doing this all the time. Now I am trying to print age by SPTR. Now SPTR contains the address of age. So internally SPTR will be replaced with address of age. Address of age will have certain number. Star tells me give me the content or value at the address of age. What is the content or value at address of age? It happens to be 18. So when I am printing with SPTR, it's going to print 18. Now what I have done is I have declared a pointer to a pointer. That means the last star is going to give me a value. The first star is just going to give me an address. So the double pointer is assigned address of SPTR. So when I am doing this DPTR fellow is going to be replaced with address of SPTR because DPTR contains the address of SPTR. The first star tells me give me the value or the content at address of SPTR. What is the content or value at address of SPTR? It happens to be the address of age. Now when this star is then applied to the address of age, it tells me give me the value or content at the address of age. The value or content at address of age happens to be 18. So via the double pointer also it prints 18. Now what I have done is just to further your understanding, I have taken a triple pointer. Okay, given it the initial value null so that it doesn't point to anything irrelevant in the beginning. Triple pointer is assigned address of double pointer. What it tells me is the last star is going to give me the value. The first star and the second star are all going to give me addresses. So when I am trying to print DPTR here, it is going to be substituted with address of DPTR. The first star tells me give me the content at address of DPTR. The content at address of DPTR is going to be the address of SPTR. Now when I use the second star, it tells me give me the content or value at the address of SPTR. The content or value at the address of SPTR happens to be address of age. The last star tells me give me the value or content at address of age. The value or content at address of age happens to be 18. So again this fellow is also going to print 18 on the output screen. Sorry, this fellow is also going to print 18 on the output screen. Now I have done this using 4 pointers so that you just don't get scared of pointers at all. So the first thing is address of TPTR. TPTR is a triple pointer. TPTR itself is a variable. So when I apply the first star, it will give me address of DPTR. The second star will give me address of SPTR. The third star will give me address of age. And the last star will give me value at that particular address of age, which happens to be 18. Just to ensure what I have explained is correct, take a look at the output. So if you take a look at this output, you see that I have tried to print the value of age using 1 pointer, 2 pointers and 3 pointers. So you should just draw the diagram and try to store the addresses in each of the boxes and keep substituting the boxes with the star symbol and trying to use the star operator as a value at or content at for meaning, and then try to find out what is the answer and the or what is the output of the piece of code.